Find the missing terms of the geometric sequence 4, 12, 36. In this example, we can just multiply 36 to the common ratio to get the next term. Let's identify first the common ratio. 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. Checking, 3 times 4 will give us 12. 36 divided by 12 will give us 3. 3 times 12 will give us 36. Therefore, our common ratio is 3. We can just simply multiply 36 by 3. This will give us 108. 108 times 3 will lead us to 324. 324 times 3 will give us 972. In this example, we can just simply multiply to get the next terms. But what if you are to use the formula where you are just to find the a sub n? So let us first identify the given. So this is the formula. A sub n is equivalent to a sub 1 times r with the exponent of n minus 1. Our a sub 1 here is 4, the first term. There are 6 terms in the given. A sub n should be 975. But for this case, let's say still unknown. Now let's substitute the given on the formula. A sub n is equal to 4. Ratio here is 3 with the exponent of 6 minus 1. So the exponent here will be 5. Let's continue. Copy 4. Let's do it one by one. 3 raised to 5, or we will have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This will give us 243. Continue. 243 times 4 will give us 972. So this is the proper way on how you're going to use the formula. What is the 8th term of the geometric sequence 1, 3, 9, and 27? Let's first identify the given. Our a sub 1 is 1. Our n will be 8. We are looking for a sub 8. And the ratio between terms will be 3 divided by 1 is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 27 divided by 3 is 3. So our common ratio here will be 3. Let's check. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Now let's use the formula. Let's substitute now the given. We are solving for a sub 8, the 8th term. Our first term here is 1. Our ratio here is 3. Exponent, n minus 1. So we will have here 8 minus 1. This will give us 3 raised to 7. Let's continue. A sub 8. 1. 3 raised to 7, not 3 times 7. 3 with exponent of 7 will give us 2,187 times 1. So the 8th term of this sequence is 2,187.